Welcome back to another episode of A Place on the Rock. Today we have been granted exclusive access into the new build of the hub. We are in a studio show flat and I will show you inside now. So as you come into the flat, the first thing you'll notice is this really bespoke bathroom. So you've got a toilet there as you come in, the shower's in the corner tucked away, and the sink there with plenty of storage underneath. Now, considering it's a studio, it's very, very nice size on the shower room. So walking into the property, past the bathroom, out of the bathroom and into the rest of the property, you've got your wardrobe space just next to the toilet. Now, you've got built-in shelves and drawers all the way down on the one side. If you look down on the other side, this is where you hang the suits, clothes, and that's something that the laundrette can take care for you downstairs upon the need for washing. Now we come into the main living area of the property, and like I say, considering it's a studio, it's a very nice size and fit for living. You've got a table here to eat, dine, whatever you need it for, and you come into the kitchen. The kitchen, you've got everything built in, including the fridge freezer, which is down here. Above it, a cooker, and storage right the way around. Now, the storage extends underneath where you've got your boiler, which will be plugged in when these are complete. Underneath here, you have further storage. And there is your dishwasher. Drawers for the cutlery and space above too. Now, this is your main living area. Now, this is where the bed is tucked away when you're using it during the day. Now, the bed opens out, as I'll demonstrate. Now, first step, take these pillows off. Onto the floor they go. This lifts up very conveniently. You can store all of these underneath so you don't have an issue with finding somewhere for these to go. This sandwiches back down and the bed falls out from above. So, extremely simple. If you want to keep the pillows for your bed, there's nothing stopping you doing so, but it's not necessary. This then folds back up for daytime use. So during the day you can sit back, relax and watch the TV, which will be placed opposite you should you choose to furnish it like that. Your air conditioning unit is also nestled away inside the wall, underneath the paintings there, and then you have the extractor fan on the outside. Speaking of outside, it has a balcony which extends all the way along the width of the property, and you have, in this particular show flat, rock-facing views which overlook Devil's Tower Road. One of the nice things about the hub is the very intricate design features that they've built to make this comfortable living and an efficient use of all of the space given. So when you do have the bed layout, you have these that come out to act as a bedside table, and then tuck straight back in. You have storage all and above next to your bed and at both sides. As so. So thank you for tuning into this episode of A Place on the Rock. Today was a very special episode, the first time I've personally seen the hub and the first time the hub will be introduced to Gibraltar. I hope you like what you see and we'll see you for the next episode.